morning, welcome to Food and Travel Enthusiast. Today we are making some stuffed mushroom with crab meat. And so here I have some lump crab and some white crab meat which I have drained. And I'm going to put it in my container here. And so once we put the crab meat in, we're going to go ahead and add some vinegar just to cut down on the rawness. That's just a thing for me. I just like to add vinegar to my meal. And so then we're going to be adding some garlic. I have grated the garlic so it's fine. And then I'm going to add some paprika to my mix, some ground cumin, some black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, because I'm trying to get it well seasoned, a little chili powder. And then I have some onion and scallion and some habanero or Scotch bonnet pepper, as we like to call it. And then I'm gonna add some breadcrumbs to the mix, maybe. Just let's put some more here just for the binding agent. And then I'm adding some cream cheese and some Parmesan cheese as well. And I'm gonna add a little bit of jalapeno cheese. And then I'm gonna just mix this all together, just combine it so I can stuff my mushroom with this. You could put this in a food processor too, but I would like to have it where I just mix it by hand and make sure the cheeses all come together. Just like so. You see, you could put an egg in there too, but I do not want any in this one, but that's a choice you have to, because I have the breadcrumbs. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a little bit of my jalapeno in the bottom of my mushroom, which I have boiled for about a minute or two, and then I let it cool and drain. And so this is what I'll be doing right here. And I'm going to use my air fryer to do, instead of the oven at 375, I'll put it in my air fryer at 375 as well for about 20 minutes. So here I'm putting all my cheese in, so you can see. And then now I'm going to add my stuffing on top, like so. Just try to get it in there. And be sure to like, follow, share with your friends. And I have already sprayed my air fryer with some olive oil, and then I'm going to place them in. And follow for more. going to be making some pesto noodles with crab meat and some marinated mushrooms or salted mushrooms, which I had soaked in some vinegar with some onions and garlic and pimento seeds. So in my pot I have some oil that I've heated up, and so now I'm gonna put my onions. I'm gonna put some garlic and some basil and my mushrooms that have been pickled, and some fresh mushrooms too. And then I'm going to add some Old Bay, I'm going to add some black pepper, some chili powder, ground cumin, and some Tony Chacharas. I'm going to be mixing these and let the onion cook along with the basil. And get it up to, and so then now I'm going to add my spinach to the mix. I don't like much of it, so I'm gonna get this in. And as they simmer, then we will add our cheese. I have some Parmesan and a little jalapeno cheese here. That's nice and good. Then I'm gonna add some crab meat to the mix that has been seasoned. I'm going to add a little bit more black pepper to give it some color, and some olive oil. You can add some nuts, pine nuts or walnuts if you would like. I don't have that today, so I'm just doing it with what I do have. And then now I'm going to add my noodles. I have some garden rotini that I'm going to add, that I have cooked. Lower my flame as well. If you would like to add more cheese, you can go ahead and add it too. But this is my macaroni or rotini in pesto sauce with crab meat and pickled mushroom. Be sure to follow, like, comment, and share for more recipes. Bon appetit! Enjoy! And welcome to my channel. And now we're doing the plating of my rotini with crab meat and pickled mushroom with my stuffed mushroom. So there. And let's go. Whoops. Okay. You can put this one down here. Then we're going to sprinkle some cheese on top and some chives to finish the meal. And there you have it. There you go.